Hello and welcome. This is Todd with Aspen Development. I'm going to be presenting today on commercial flat roof options. Now, we have an option on a roof here at a warehouse. It was built in 1910, and I'm proposing that we do, three different options that are proposed. First of all, working with Carlisle. Carlisle is the flagship, I think, of roofing systems. They've won all the awards. They are the largest supplier of commercial roofing products in the world. They have over 55 years of manufacturing experience, billions of square feet of roofing materials sold. I still think they're the industry leader, not just because they are, but through quality and performance. So experience the Carlisle difference, industry-leading manufacturing capabilities, innovative product development, dedicated training and education, strength of the brand, localized field service representatives. They really do bring a complete package, everything you could ever want from a roofing supplier, including great roofing products. Now, to get into the roofing products, single ply systems. First of all, we're going to need, you need to build up your roof. So we have a concrete roof that we're dealing with. With that concrete roof, what we need to do is, number one, we need to provide slope, and we need to provide a layer to separate the flat roof into a sloped, drainable roof. So traditionally, they take their EPDM or TPO, and they take an iso layer, polyiso, which is called insulation, and they mechanically fasten it or screw it to the next layer. Now, I don't like screwing anything down because it penetrates the underlayment and the other surface, and that provides another opportunity for water, of course, to penetrate multiple layers. So we provide that we should use adhesive. So that's what we propose, adhesive on all of our layers, and that's how we propose to solve your problems with your new roof as well. Whether that's EPDM, TPO, PVC, we will definitely use an adhesive or a glue down system. Okay. Now, rapid lock adhere systems, there's also the option of using the new TPO with a fleece back system, which I'll get into. It's quite a bit more costly, but it will have a better warranty, especially when you get into your green roof systems. So that's your getting into your actual roofing system. Here is EPDM. EPDM comes in black and white. It's on a lot of roofs out there, anywhere from a 10 to 15 year warranty. We like EPDM. It is a glue down product, but unfortunately within 5 to 10 years you start to have problems with your seams. So we prefer the TPO roofing systems, which is a heat welded system. It's the fastest growing industry for commercial roofing, hence for a reason. They seem to last longer. There's anywhere from 15 to a 30-year warranty on these systems, and they seem, they're cleaner. They seem to have longer term benefits. They're more efficient with heat and cold, expansion and contraction. So in other words, it has better long-term performance. So that's the benefit. We like the TPO. PVC, another option. SureFlex PVC, a great way to go, and it's not a glue down. It's also a heat weld system, so it's a little better than the EPDM, but there again, we still prefer the TPO. And then you get into your fleece back roofing system, which is a really new system. We still haven't installed one yet, but they come highly recommended, especially when you have something like a rooftop garden. When you're going to have a lot of traffic on your roof, I think this is the best way to go, just due to the fleece back system. It's a little bit less labor, but the materials are quite a bit more. So this is the Cadillac of your roofing systems. Insulation products or your polyiso. So we're going to need to provide a layer of polyiso for, number one, to float the roof, to make it flat again, or at least to even out the unlevel partitions in the roofing, and then of course to provide slope so that you have drainage. It also provides an insulate layer that provides heat efficiency, energy efficiency, and also silences, makes it a little quieter for noise, especially if you're using rooftop patios etc. This obviously is not the case with the warehouse, but those are the benefits. That's the layer we will be doing a glue down. The air and vapor barriers, usually you want to have an air and vapor barrier in between your polyiso and your insulation layer, or I'm sorry, your concrete roof or your metal roof system. In this case, we like the vapor air seal. And this vapor air seal 725 TR, it keeps the chemical reactions from your lower layers from affecting your ISO. It also provides another layer to secure yourself against water mitigation. Secure edge perimeter roof systems. This is your flashing, your drip edge. As you can see, Carlisle has a lot of different options as far as color. That's your 2-inch flashing drip edge on the right, and then flashing, of course, on the walls that transitions from the wall into your roofing system. Both are necessary for a well-sealed, well-performance or high-performance roof. Skylights and accessories, round and or square, bringing in natural light. We can put these in anywhere. There's anywhere from 500 to 750 per, depending on what you're using. The round ones are 750, the square ones are 500. You have to core cut and then, of course, install the skylight and seal. So any natural light that you want to bring in, great option, and you can still have a green roof on top of that. So the best of all worlds. Roof gardening systems. Obviously, I'm a big proponent of roof gardens, and with this TPO, PVC, or EPDM, this is an option for you. You can come back in and put in plant boxes or planters, or you can use buckets. There's many different ways that you can take advantage of a rooftop gardening system without actually just bringing in dirt and dropping it on top of your EPDM, TPO, or PVC. So a lot of benefits to a roof garden. Obviously, insulation. It provides a higher R value so that your energy efficiency literally doesn't go through the roof. And it also provides a place for you to grow, a place of beauty, and a place to recreate and take in the sights. So I think rooftop patios, amazing places, can be very appealing, and this could be literally the most appealing place in your property if you focus the resources and the functionality towards that utility. So the best products out on the market, definitely the leading company and manufacturer in this industry. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. But of course, we're proposing the TPO or the fleece back TPO system.